world business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and temperamental. The world requires a significantly more steady and dependable money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning maintainability and adaptability. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the cross-breed agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has likewise been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us view a portion of the novel elements of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Gigantic exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in experimentally evolved stages. Numerous digital forms of money neglected to review these issues. Digital currencies like Tezos has steadily swarmed the standard cognizance and built up momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. During the start of the last year, the XTZ coin was exchanging beneath $2 with colossal bullish force. Around last May, Tezos has denoted another high of $7.50 in the midst of huge unpredictability. From that point onward, it tumbled to the low of around $2.15 in the last mid-July. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the XTZ has checked continuous cost rise, and on October 4, 2021, it enlisted an untouched high of $9.18. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting an ATH, it confronted colossal negative strain and recorded persistent fall till date. Going by the specialized cost investigation, Tezos has shown enormous potential reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. XTZ today denotes an extensive force prompting a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy. XTZ, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards. Nonetheless, this crypto resource is to build up momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn potential. It tends to be plainly characterized that Tezos, recorded as XTZ on different trades, has situated itself among large numbers of the top monetary standards, yet to remain at that level, it needs to take advantage of its greatest potential. While the vital improvements have affected the XTZ USD cost, pushing them in a positive heading, the market is by all accounts holding much more commitment in the years to come. An obstacle in the method of the thriving of Tezos digital money is that it is greatly dependent on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply reliant upon market development. The opponents of Tezos viz. ETH, EOS, and Monero are contenders of the equivalent game. Thus, to expect an exceptionally high bonus benefit on XTZ is completely DApps market situated. Tezos, the rising sun. Tezos cost expectation has really somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the very outset towards the year's end. XTZ has had a notable excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto opponents of XTZ. The last year was provoking with energy to express buy to, primarily because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Notwithstanding, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and cynical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with confidence. There could be a conjecture of wonders in the realm of digital currencies like XTZ. There could be enchantment temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment, as indicated by the most recent long-haul Tezos cost conjecture. The coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. Cost expresses that the coin would arrive at $5.12 by 2022. As indicated by ongoing long-haul conjectures, the cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then, at that point, be valued at $48.18 in 2027 and $168.68 in 2030, assuming XTZ lives to the point of seeing 2025. That would mean the venture endured for the long haul, conveyed the arranged item, and has a steady, developing client base. That implies XTZ would cost around $55 per coin. The anticipated Tezos cost toward the finish of 2022 is $5.64. In 2022, we hope to see $5.24 per 1 Tezos. In the primary portion of 2023, the Tezos cost will move to $6.93. In the last part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $8.49. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this estimated cryptographic money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10, with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic. This could come as a respite for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and yearnings to execute in Tezos. For instructive purposes, one might peruse the specialized examination with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market, and continue to follow the XTZ coin cost gauge at regular intervals. Tezos Value Expectation 2022. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital money cost will perform richly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all restrictions over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few languid patterns, it would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by powerful shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The brains cut the usefulness behind Tezos cryptographic money. Consequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to hurry up with different coins to show up at a $6-$6.80 cost. Financial backers, notwithstanding, need to keep an eye out for any unanticipated elements. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the cryptographic money markets. Tezos is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions, scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, fundamentally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Thus, this year will be a super mother lode for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another unsurpassed high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Presumably, a simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more utilitarian and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with valuing increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a colossal development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto